Ergogenic Aids 21.3 by Finlay Deedman. What are ergogenic aids? An ergogenic aid simply refers to something which aids a person to train. They are typically broken down into 5 categories: physiological, mechanical, pharmaceutical, nutritional, and psychological, all sharing the core function to allow athletes to progress within their sport at accelerated rates through improving a multitude of the body's systems, from muscle mass to recovery times. Due to this, a large portion of ergogenic aids have been deemed unfair and outlawed in competitive sports, as they provide an unfair advantage to athletes who have not utilised them over athletes who have used them. Therefore, there are many ergogenic aids which are banned in the aim to even out the playing field. Examples of banned ergogenic aids would be anabolic steroids. Anabolic steroids, alongside being illegal in most countries, are outlawed by most sporting organisations due to their impact upon the user, allowing them to build significantly increased muscle mass in shortened periods of time, creating an unfair playing field for opposition not using them. However, the majority of ergogenic aids are allowed by sporting organisations, simply being seen as a tool to aid athletes' progression.